You finish the yellow cross, but you don't know how to arrange the corners. Don't just guess the moves. There are only 7 possible cases when the cross is already solved. Today I'll teach you how to recognize every single one of them and solve them using simple algorithms. Let's go! Case number 1 is the fish. Put the head in the bottom left corner. If there is a yellow sticker on the right side of the hand, this is the standard sun. Number 2. If the sticker is on the left side, it's an Anti-Sune. I don't use REGRIPS here. I perform it with my right hand through the back face. It's much faster. Watch my fingers. Third one is the helicopter with wing and eyes. Hold the cube by the wings on the side and repeat after me. Next is the helicopter with only 2 pairs of eyes. Hold it so the eyes are looking to the left and right, then do the moves. Case 5 in the tank with wings. Hold the cube so the wing looks to the side and the barrel of the tank is pointing at you. The tank with eyes. This is easy. Just point the eyes directly at you and performs the algorithm. And the last one is the figure 8. Make sure the 2 yellow stickers are facing the back on the right side, and that's it. Remember, these are the only 7 cases for the Cross OLL. There are 57 OLL cases in total, but if you use the cross method, the 7 are all you need. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to BrainCube, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.